Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and access. Park level, set the brake, and switch off the truck. Once done, open the tailgate and identify the license lamp housing on the tailgate or bumper. This saves time locating fasteners. Use gloves to keep oils off the new bulb and lay out a small flat tool and 5 mm socket. You remove any trim clips immediately so you can see the lamp bezel. Make sure to have the exact bulb type on hand before proceeding. You now remove the bezel. Take out the plastic clip or 5 mm screw holding the lamp housing. A small flat tool helps pry without damage. Once the bezel is loose, pull it away slowly to expose the bulb socket. This prevents broken tabs and misalignment. Next, grip the old T10 wedge bulb and rotate slightly while pulling straight out. Wedge bulbs seat tightly, so steady pressure is key. Inspect the socket for corrosion or melted plastic before inserting a new bulb. You finish by installing the replacement. Align the new T10 wedge bulb and push it straight into the socket until it seats firmly. This ensures contact and avoids flicker. Once seated, reposition the bezel and fasten the clip or 5 mm screw so the lens sits flush. Turn the lights on to test the lamp. If it works, you're done. If not, check the fuse and probe the socket for voltage. Make sure wiring and bulb seating are correct before reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.